Hi, this is Brian. If you're not getting water to the vacuum pump, it could be a simple adjustment. Here we can see the pump is running, but we don't have water flow. We receive a fault message and the pump shuts off. So let's stop the kiln and get ready to adjust the flow control. The flow controller has color indicator stripes. It's usually set to gold. Let's start the kiln back up, and with the pump running, we'll start to open the flow control. As we open the valve, monitor the flow sensor and the status screen that we're getting more water. We should see at least 0.5 gallons per minute on the status screen. And we're done.